Learn how to suspend scheduled checklists for holidays or closures. To get started, navigate to the Digital Logbook tab and select Schedule Management. Click Checklist Suspension Period in the right corner. On this page, you will need to fill out all required fields marked with an asterisk. Click on Location/Departments to open a mobile window. Scroll through the list to select the associated location or department, or use the search bar to locate the items you need. Under the title field, enter a unique name for your checklist suspension period. Next, fill out the suspension period by selecting a start date and time and end date and time. Alternatively, you can click on the All Date toggle button to set the time frame. Click the Save button to apply changes. You should see your new checklist suspension schedule on the Schedule Management page. If you cannot locate it, use the search bar and enter a keyword. To edit a checklist suspension schedule, click on the ellipsis to the far right and select Edit. Make your adjustments, then click the Save button. A modal window will appear asking you to confirm these changes. The Filters button is a useful feature for locating a specific checklist suspension schedule by locating the name and time period. When done, select Clear All to reset to the default view. To delete a checklist suspension schedule, click on the ellipsis, then select Delete. A modal window will appear asking you to confirm this change. Click OK if you are certain you wish to proceed.